Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Humanity Protocol is down a massive 86% in the last 24 hours, with the H token currently trading around 8 cents 9 cents. Following the recent security exploit, panic selling hit the market hard, pushing the token down more than 80% in a single day. Analysts believe stolen tokens being dumped on the open market contributed to the sharp decline. Now the big question is this the beginning of a recovery or just a bull trap? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, Humanity Protocol trading signals and solid targets have just been posted on our Patreon page. Check the link in bio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer, please DYOR. This is not financial advice.
Mysterious because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got